Feeling sluggish from all the holiday treats? The season of giving shouldn't mean neglecting your health. Enter the Blood Cleanser Tonic Tea, your ultimate ally to help cleanse, rejuvenate, and restore your energy naturally. Perfect for hitting the reset button after every festive feast. And to celebrate the season of giving, Intensity Fitness United brings you the Christmas Bundle Week. Enjoy 15% off the Limitless Bundle featuring Haritaki and Banafsha, the ultimate wellness duo, with promo code CHRISTMASBUNDLE15. Get yours now. Visit www.intensity.shop. Give your body the gift of wellness and make this Christmas your healthiest yet.